Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having Pizza Hut, a pizza, which is prawn pizza, guys, with heaps of cheese, a bit of seasoning, and I've got hot chips there, and I got myself a garlic bread. I also have a drink, guys, and it's half orange, half lemonade. But I better do my prayer, guys, because it's important that we send our thanks. I asked for extra prawns, and it looks like they've chucked 3 in there. You know, like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so better have a drink. Yeah, cheers, everyone. Nice. Oh, yeah, it's nice. It's mixed together. So, here you go. It's garlic. The onions are crunchy. No. Nice. I prefer this one. It used to be like a seafood pizza, so you get little mussels and all that. I noticed when I was editing my husband and I's video, he hardly used a tissue to wipe his mouth, but me, I always think there's something on my mouth. This is a nice pizza. I always get it. Sydney at the moment has been given 2 extra weeks for lockdown. So, hooray! My husband loves the crust, so he always says to the kids, if you're not going to eat your crust, save it for Dad. There's some parts in Sydney that people wait in line for like the COVID test. They were saying, they interviewed one man. He said he'd been waiting in line for 5 hours. Guys, drive out here to Mount Druitt. We got briefed that hardly anyone's there. So take the 45-minute drive, come out these ways, go and get tested here. And then you drive back. It'll be shorter than 5 hours. Don't worry, no one's going to rob you. We got money too. You're all right. See, guys, people at those ways, they say Mount Druitt is, you know, but excuse you, ain't nothing wrong with Mount Druitt. Hey, I hear out those ways are bad, and boom, 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 boom. We're not talking about it. No. It is what it is. Mm. Yeah, these wages are the end of those boom booms. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. To be honest, I'm not even a big fan of garlic bread. It's like I'll eat it if I make my own. Oh, but don't knock it because nice and buttery. Mm. I've had bad experience with garlic bread that come from takeaway places, which is so stingy on the butter, but this one's buttery. Mm-hmm. I hope you guys got something nice to eat. I hope you guys are well too. Look at this pizza. There's so much cheese. Excuse me, onion. Stop it. Generous. They're generous with their cheese, which is nice. I saw on TikTok, this lady was talking about her kids. She said, she had told her kids, right, don't tell lies because there's a thing now that they put a dot on top of your forehead, an invisible one. It's there. So when you tell lies, the red dot will come out and the adults, only adults see it. So if the kids lie, then that red dot's going to show out to the adults. So she said that whenever her kids were going to tell lies, they will start talking, but then they'll cover the top of their forehead. It's cute, but some kids can really think they can outsmart us, and or can they? It reminds me of my child. One time I said, do you know I can always tell that you lie by your eyes? And he looked at me like, I said, I can tell by your eyes when you're lying to me. So one day, I was questioning her about something that I know she done, but I wanted her to admit it. And I said, did you do it? And this is how wide her eyes were, like, no, I didn't. See? Kids, they think they can outsmart us. Anyway, so because she did that, I just burst out laughing. And I told her what she just done to prove that she's lying. But who hasn't lied? I think everyone in this world has. Told a little white lie. Told a big lie. A medium lie. A wobbly lie. And some people lie, like, just to not hurt the person's feelings. I mean, my son, I have a son. Now, he doesn't like to tell lies. So, when he get questioned about something and he knows the answer, but he's going to have to say yay or nay, He always says, I don't know. I don't know. But he knows. The thing is, if his siblings weren't guilty of doing something, he would say, no or nah. But when they did do something and he knows about it, he always has that answer. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Ask them. You know, like, he doesn't want to be the one that has a snitch. I have so many kids and they have their different personalities. But I raised them all, you see. And I know when they're lying to me. I know their different looks. I know their different body reactions and that. My husband, he has no idea. I love this pizza, but only downfall about this pizza right now is they put a lot of these onions in it. A lot. I don't mind a sprinkle here and there, but it's like every bite you're feeling the crunch. It's alright for people that love onion. I mean, my daughter Sharon, she would love this. She's an onion person. Well, not me. I quite like this garlic bread today. I don't know if I... Look at that. Look at all that butter. I don't know if I shared this story with you guys. Maybe I have in the past. I don't know. I've told so many stories in my videos. But I thought about it today when I was brushing my teeth. Well, I felt the butter on my tongue. About 9 years ago, I was addicted to gambling. Addicted to gambling. 9 years, and I gambled for 9 years. And you know the money that I spent gambling? Like, you can buy yourself like a half a house. But I'm laughing, but I'm not laughing. Anyway, guys, so I gambled every week, and what a waste of time. Waste of time, waste of money. At the time, though, I enjoyed it. Loved it. I couldn't wait till I can go again. You're addicted to gambling. That's what you do. Yeah, you can't wait for another one. And if you're a really bad gambler, like myself, back then, even if you win a lot of money, you just want to put it back in. No, what was I chasing? $20 million or something? Let alone $1 million. You ain't even going to get that much. Well, there was an old man that took a keno one time when I was gambling, and he took an auto pick for 10 numbers and won 100. No, he won 100. 1,100,000. Okay, something like that. You know, like 1 million, 1.1. Okay, put it like that. Before I say something wrong. When my husband's in the mood, he'll come along. But he never played the pokies. That wasn't for him. He liked playing the keno. One time, he played keno and won himself $4,000. So he came looking for me, gave me $200. Yeah, and then my husband went home with his $4,000. And I remained down, waiting a lot of money. But I enjoyed being out there and having fun. So I will gamble, and one day my husband came with me again. Now this time I was with my cousin and her husband and Tangaroa. So we were all sitting there. He had all these papers, you know, his keno papers on the table. And every now and then, the staff member that goes around collecting bottles and stuff, well, every now and then, he'll come with his bucket and clear the table and that. And he'll take away old kino papers or whatever, the glasses and stuff. One night, we were there, and then, you know, like, they tidy up the table and everything. And then my husband went up and took this number and then checked out. The man that came, he cleared the table, but one ticket. What happened? So my husband goes and takes his last bit before he goes. And then he comes and he checks his number. It doesn't come through. So he pushes the number aside and he goes, one more bit. And I go, oh yeah, okay then. And then you'll go, and then good. Then I can go in. Because I was sitting there. I was dying to go play pokies. So what happened? That ticket, he said it didn't win. So he pushed it in front of me. And all these other tickets that's there. You know. So he went up again to take another number. Okay. And the lady said to him, hey, check your tickets. You know, I think you won a car. So my husband went to take one more bet. So he went, and the guy that normally cleans up, he got to our table. He was picking up everything, the glasses and all that. Took everything. Took everything but one ticket. That was lying sideways like this in front of me. Anyway, so I was just about to go, but he was a bit far away, so I just put it back down in front of me. And then, so my husband comes back and he goes, hey, where's all the tickets? And I go, it's gone in the rubbish. And he goes, oh, no. And I go, what? And he goes, the lady at the window just told me to check my ticket because I might have won a car. And I go, what? Really? And I look back at the cleaner. He's gone way down there by then. And I said, oh, well, it can't be you then. Why don't they, you know, find out which one, you know. Anyway. So I go, why didn't you go and check this ticket? You know, although maybe this is a ticket. Yeah, go. So I give him the ticket. He goes, well, I don't know. Oh, he goes, you shouldn't have let the man clean up. I said, this is the second time the man came and clean up. You didn't complain when he first came. So can you really just go and check that ticket? Troublemaker. Anyway, so I went and lined up. And then and then I was just talking with my cousin and going, he gets angry at me. So I'm complaining to my cousin and I'm going, he gets angry at me, but the rubbish already got taken before. He didn't complain, and now he's complaining just because he thinks he's won a car. So after I said that to my cousin, I went to look at my husband so I could give him a side look like. Anyway, but when I went to look up at the window, my husband had this big smile on his face, and the lady behind the glass, she had a big smile on her face, like they both had a big smile on their faces, like they're happy. So I thought, no, my husband must have won that car. Anyway, so my husband walks over, goes, darling. And I go, what? Did you win that car? He goes, yeah. I said, well, that ticket I gave you, that was the winning ticket. He goes, yeah. Oh, I can't believe it. All the other tickets. I said, oh, darling, God left that. That's what I said. God left that ticket there. Anyway, so, and you know what was weird? It wasn't weird, but it was convenient. So, guys, my husband has just started a business, his own business, that time. It was nothing, really. It was nothing at all. And, see, our car was on its last legs, or put it this way, last wheels. And it was playing up. And my husband always said, "Yeah, I wish my business was, thriving already, so I can get me a new car." And I said, "Oh, well, we just gotta make do with this one and save up for it, And then when that happened, my husband said, "I've got a new car now. Now I can, run my business." I thought, praise the good Lord. It's so cool, eh? Out of all the tickets, you should have seen the ticket. Not only was it my husband's tickets, my cousin's tickets, and her husband some, because they'll take some, not as much as my husband, but they took, and then they'll leave them. And the man just scooped it all and taken it and left one ticket. There's a lot of things that's happened to me or us, that's like, like rewarding, So, I always thank God for always being, very supportive and caring. Yeah. So my husband was asked, does he want to take pictures, for the club? Did he want a ticket? Did he want a car? I don't know. I can't remember if my husband did. I think he did, though. And that's my husband's happy episode. So he won this car, and he had to go to the car dealer and pick it up. Brand new. Well, I don't think there will be raffle. So how it went, that Kino, it was like random ticket, only for the Kino players. So it was just a nice coincidence when my husband got to the window and it was the time for the number to come on. That was awesome. Look at me. I'm eating a prawn. Yeah, anyway. So that's my husband's happy episode. And there's my episode. I'll tell you all about it. Anyway. Who's that trying to leave? Who's that trying to fall off to sleep when it's my turn to tell my story? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. And, just being an ear for me to talk to. These lockdowns. Yeah, no, we got another 2 weeks added onto our COVID lockdown. So that's another 2 weeks. Who knows? There might be another 2 weeks after that. Or who knows? My kids are meant to go back to school this week. But because of the lockdown, they're home. Yeah, so... But thank you very much, guys. Thanks for listening. And I'm thinking I might go and get more headbands. Because I can't get my salon people to do my hair, cover my greys. Or if you're young, let's see me. Guys, stop it. Oh, lady. Ale kale la. Oh. Yeah, that's like Bruce Lee. Oh. Yeah. Thank you, guys. See you guys next time. Wailua. I say, yo, what? The mga aile pisa shoki nga, maingo lang vaingo. Yeah, la Faye may sauro ki ma TV, ai me mari ai. Malonga na ki TV. Mi e faro mo aku Faye may. Yeah, nga mata mai la TV ya. I like Faye lang ta anulu. Yeah, bye, guys. Thank you. Always appreciate your guys' comment. You guys are the best viewers out there. So, bye, guys. Take care. Love one another. Bye now. Kia manuia. Ia manuia o tau o mai na. I whafo ngā. E leido wha Samoa Mātia. Yeah.
Yang ngangu yai.
Yeah?
Yang ngangu yai.
Wai ngangu yai.
Ngata spoi yai.
Oh, la ngangu e whai I kangaka.
Why you wanna talk to me in English? God love all people.
She said, God love all people. Okay. And that's true, guys. Take care. I better go and turn on her TV. Take care. Ka kite. Whasoi fua.